Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix iPhone camera blinking or shaking or flicking in low light. If you are also using iPhone camera, you will know better that when the iPhone camera recording in 4K at 60 fps, there are some issues that you might face when you try to record any video in low light. So in this video I'm going to show you some method. After that you can easily fix that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, launch settings app in your iPhone. Okay, in settings app you need to find camera. Okay, there are some basic setting you must change right now before you record video in low light. First of all, open camera. Okay, as you can see showing you right now, record video 4K at 60 fps. Tap on that. Okay, if you want to record in low light and you want that there is no flicking or blinking issue in your iPhone video, just select it on 1080p HD at 30 fps. Okay, right now you must change that setting, and after that you need to record that. If you are facing still that issue, then go back and change one more setting. Okay, as you can see showing grid, just tap on grid and turn it on grid option, and then select the main subject that you want to record right now with low light. Just tap the subject and it will 100% record video without blinking issue. Okay, now tap on preserve settings. Okay, as you can see showing here depth control. Okay, turn on that feature in your iPhone camera when you try to record in low light and you want to create a blinking free video. So basically there are some method to solve that issue. After that you can easily fix that. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.